Perfect soba noodles require mastering key principles. Start with high-quality soba, either 100% buckwheat, juwari soba for a nutty flavor and gluten-free option, or a blend, nihachi soba, for added elasticity. Use plenty of boiling water, 100°C, 200°F, and avoid adding salt, as seasoning comes from sauces or broths. Cook soba for 3 to 7 minutes depending on thickness, and stir gently to prevent sticking. Test for doneness before the suggested time to ensure the perfect texture. Soba noodles, a beloved Edo period dish, offer a nutritious, versatile, and energizing meal year-round. Drain the cooked noodles immediately and rinse thoroughly under cold running water. This stops cooking, removes starch, and firms the texture. Agitate noodles gently during rinsing for even cooling. Serve promptly or toss with a small amount of sesame or toasted sesame oil to prevent sticking if prepared in advance. Soba can be enjoyed cold with suyu dipping sauce, soy sauce, mirin, and dashi, and condiments yakumi like wasabi, grated ginger, and scallions. For a warm dish, serve in a dashi-based broth, kake soba, with toppings such as mushrooms, tofu, or kamaboko, fish cake. Enhance with garnishes like shredded nori, grated daikon, or sesame seeds. Pair with tempura for a delightful texture contrast. Always rinse soba with cold water for chewiness. If storing, toss with oil and cover to prevent drying. Taste before serving to ensure the right balance of tenderness and chewiness. With these steps, soba becomes a versatile, satisfying dish, perfect for any season. Oshagari kudasai.